Congratulations on your new Kobold VK200. You now own one of the most advanced home cleaning systems available anywhere in the world. Delivering the highest in performance and cleanliness, the light and manoeuvrable VK200 will help clean your home to a whole new standard for many years to come. Please use this instructional video in conjunction with the manual included with your machine. The instruction manual contains important safety information that must be read before you start using your new machine. Both the manual and video will help you get the best from your device and its many accessories, including how to operate it safely and how to keep it in peak condition year after year. First, we'll begin by taking a look at all of the components available for the Kobold VK200. If you opted for the complete cleaning system, you'll have a whole suite of tools to complement the main VK200 unit, starting with a range of cleaning heads. There's the EB400 for vacuuming carpets, the VF200 carpet freshener for dry cleaning carpets, the SP530 Duo Clean that vacuums and mops hard floors in one, the powerful PB440 electric upholstery brush, which is a handheld attachment for stairs, upholstery and car interiors. A specially designed mattress cleaning set for a good night's sleep. And the HD60 hard floor nozzle with a flexible head that glides in and around furniture. Other accessories include the 3-in-1 Flexo nozzle, ideal for cleaning curtains and textiles. The soft nozzle for delicate dusting all around the home. A telescopic tube for reaching up high. And finally, the crevice nozzle set with a drill dust catcher and a crevice brush. When you lay everything out for the first time, you might be wondering where to start. So to help and to ensure you get the most from your new Kobold VK200, this video provides a how-to guide for many of the cleaning tasks you'll find around your home. This video is broken down into easily selectable chapters, but to start, let's look at how to put your new system together for the first time. When you open the box of your new VK200, we recommend you first fit the main VK200 body onto the EB400 automatic electric brush or any Kobold floor cleaning attachment. Place the nozzle of the VK200 onto the nozzle on the top of the EB400 and push it down to connect it. You should hear it click. The next step is to insert the telescopic handle. To insert the handle, guide its end into the opening at the top of the VK200. Pull back the handle release lever and hold it. Next, push the handle all the way down so that the handle meets with the main body. Finally, pull the handle back up to the desired height and push back the handle release lever to lock it in place. The handle is now permanently attached to the VK200 and can no longer be removed. Next, it's time to insert the power cord. First, you must adjust the telescopic handle to be at its tallest height. At the back of the handle, insert the power cord into the opening with the locking nose to the left. Feed the cable through until you see it reach the end of the channel on the side of the handle. Next, attach the supplied tool onto the front of the handle by inserting the hook into the power cord channel and clipping into place. Pull back the release lever and slide the tool by pushing down on the telescopic handle until you hear the power cord engage with the machine. When you pull the handle back up, the power cord should remain in place. Finally, unclip the power cord fitting tools and keep in a safe place. The power cord is now fitted. To set the height of the telescopic handle, first pull back the handle release lever and hold it in place. Next, move the handle either up or down to set the desired height. Finally, push back the handle release lever to lock the handle into place. At the top of the telescopic handle, you'll see a sliding power switch which allows you to turn on and control the suction power of the VK200. You can slide the switch from soft, which is the lowest suction level, up to max for the highest suction level. Finally, there is also the auto selection, which is designed to automatically select the right level of suction power, depending on the surface that is being cleaned. For general vacuum cleaning, we recommend using the auto level. For further advice on suction power levels, you will find a helpful table inside the VK200 instruction manual. To save on energy and remain practical, the VK200 features an automatic start-stop mode which allows you to park the device when you need to stop for a few seconds. When vacuuming, if you need to move an item of furniture, stand the VK200 upright and the motors will automatically switch off. To carry on cleaning, simply tilt the VK200 backwards whilst holding the accessory part in place. The motors will automatically start, giving you instant power when you need it. On the front of the VK200, you'll find an LED light indicator. These lights will let you know when it's time to change the filter bag. If all the lights are lit up green, then your filter bag is empty. If only a few rows are lit up green, then your filter bag is filling up as it should. If all the lights are lit up yellow, it's time to change your filter bag. And if the lights are all lit up red, this indicates an issue with the machine, which may be as simple as a blockage. To keep dirt locked away, a special 3-in-1 premium filter bag and a motor protection filter will already be fitted to your machine on delivery. To see how to fit a new bag, please select the separate section, Changing the Filter Bag. The Dovina fragrance chip leaves behind a pleasant and subtle scent after vacuuming. To insert a chip, first open the Dovina bay located on the side of the VK200. Place the Dovina chip inside the door and close shut. When you no longer smell the Dovina fragrance after cleaning, it's time to replace the fragrance chip. The EB400 automatic electric brush is an innovative and multifunctional cleaning head. Coupled with the main VK200 unit, it not only vacuums up dust, but its rotating brushes vibrate dirt loose for a deeper clean. To clean carpets and rugs, connect up the EB400 and switch on the device. For best results, we always recommend operating the VK200 using the auto suction level when cleaning with the EB400 automatic electric brush. The EB400 has a rotating and tilting joint, making it easy to turn corners when vacuuming. When cleaning under furniture, you can lower the VK200 to just above floor height, so the whole device has maximum room to maneuver. If you need to pause for a short time, for example to move an item of furniture, you can park the device upright. The VK200 will automatically stop without switching off the power. The EB400 features an intelligent floor sensor, which automatically detects the floor type it's cleaning and adjusts settings to provide optimum cleaning performance, whether on carpets or hard floors. At the top of the EB400, you'll see the indicator lights which inform which floor cleaning mode is currently active. The solid single line indicates hard floors are detected, and the dashed line indicates carpets. When in carpet mode, the EB400 lowers itself closer to the floor so that the rotating brushes make contact with the carpet. In hard floor mode, the EB400 raises up, the dirt sealing strips are lowered, and a supporting wheel is extended. You can also manually switch between these two modes by using the function switch on the telescopic handle. If you manually select which floor mode to use, to reactivate automatic floor detection, you must switch the VK200 off and on again. If the indicator lights on the EB400 turn red and start blinking, it may be due to a blockage in the cleaning head. If this happens, disconnect the device from the mains supply and check the brushes for any trapped objects. There is also a handy inspection plate on the underside of the EB400 for removing any large objects causing a blockage in the suction channel. In addition to vacuuming, the VK200 can gently yet thoroughly dry clean carpets in combination with the VF200 carpet freshener and Koboldline Active dry cleaning powder. Specially designed by Vorwerk, Koboldline Active lifts dirt away from carpet fibres, cleaning deep down, leaving behind a fresher, cleaner carpet. To prevent damage to your carpets, please refer to the table in your instruction manual and see if your floor type is suitable for dry cleaning. Before you start dry cleaning, for best results, vacuum your carpet using the EB400 automatic electric brush first. Next, connect the VF200 carpet freshener to the main body and open up a sachet of Koboldline Active. In the center of the VF200 is the dosage container with a clear lid. To fill this container, first check that the dosage switch is up. Slide the lid off. Pour the Koboldline into the container and close the lid back up. To start applying the Koboldline to your carpet, push the dosage switch down on the VF200 and then switch the VK200 onto the auto power level. Now move the device back and forth over the area you are cleaning. Once applied, push the dosage switch back up and continue to massage the Koboldline into the carpet, still with the power level setting of the VK200 set to auto. Now wait a minimum of 30 minutes to allow the Koboldline to work effectively and dry. To complete the process, simply vacuum the dry Koboldline away using the EB400 automatic electric brush. You are now left with cleaner, fresher carpets that keep dirt away for longer. Regular dry cleaning with the VK200 will help prevent stains on your carpet. But when you do have a stain to tackle, simply take a cloth and apply Vorwerk's specially designed Kobotex stain remover, taking care to read the instructions on the bottle. If stains are left for a long time before treatment, they can permanently discolour your carpets and rugs, so it's always best to tackle them as soon as they occur. When it comes to cleaning hard floors, you have a choice between the world's first powered mop, the SP530 Duo Clean, which vacuums and mops at the same time, or the versatile HD60 hard floor nozzle for those quick and easy jobs. The SP530 Duo Clean is an attachment that both vacuums and mops hard floors all at once, saving you time and effort. With its own built-in motor, the SP530 can deep clean and scrub your floors with no fuss. Along with the SP530, there's a unique range of accessories available. Especially developed for use with the SP530 Duo Clean, Koboldline is a concentrated solution for use on sealed hard floors. Koboldline is available as Koboldline Universal for almost all types of hard floor, and Koboldline Parquet for wooden floors such as laminate and parquet flooring. When using Koboldline, you must take care to dilute the solution before use and never apply Koboldline directly. Vorwerk's high-quality microfiber cloths deliver an effective deep clean, and as always, there's a range of cleaning cloths to suit your needs. There are 4 different cleaning cloths available for the Kobold SP530. There's the Universal cloth for almost all types of hard floor, the Universal soft cloth for more delicate open-pored floors, the Parquet cloth for wooden floors such as laminate and parquet flooring, and dry cloths for cleaning your hardwood floors without water. Please refer to the instruction manual for further help on which floors are suited to our range of cloths and solutions. Finally, there's the specially designed dosing bottle. Simple to use, the dosing bottle allows for a fast and hygienic way to measure the exact amount of water and Koboldline solution you need for the job at hand. The SP530 is suitable for almost all types of hard floor, and an easy-to-follow guide is available in your instruction manual. To start cleaning your hard floors, you'll need Koboldline cleaning solution, one of Vorwerk's high-quality microfiber cloths, and finally, the dosing bottle. When you first use the SP530, start by preparing the microfiber cloth. Turn the appliance off and disconnect the device from the mains. Then open the SP530's side cover. Remove the cloth tray by pulling down on the green catch, and it should now slide off with ease. Open the dosing bottle. Hold it diagonally and add 5 ml of Koboldline solution up to the 5 ml mark. Fill the rest of the bottle with cold water up to the max line and close it. Now squeeze the lower part of the bottle to pump the desired amount of solution into the top of the bottle. Evenly distribute the liquid onto the back of the microfiber cloth by squeezing the lower part of the dosing bottle. To attach the cloth to the SP530's cloth holder, simply place the 2 tabs of the cloth holder underneath the microfiber cloth's label as shown. Then place the cloth grip over the green tray catch and attach the Velcro strip. Next, with the SP500 side cover still open, slide the tray over the base of the unit until it reaches the end, and then push the green catch upwards until you hear it click into place. Close the side cover. Attach the main VK200 unit to the top of the SP530, and you are ready to start cleaning. For best results, we always recommend operating the VK200 using the auto suction level when using the SP530 Duo Clean. First, switch on the VK200 to start the suction and then tilt the device into the vacuuming position. To activate the microfiber cloth, close the air flap on the top of the attachment and the SP530 Duo Clean will start. When cleaning, make sure to keep the SP530 moving and move the device in straight lines to vacuum any loose debris before mopping over the same area. To stop cleaning with the SP530, simply switch off the vacuum cleaner. The air flap of the SP530 will automatically open and the cloth will stop moving. As a built-in safety feature to protect the motor of the VK200 vacuum cleaner, the SP530 is designed to automatically stop cleaning if there's an excess amount of water in the device. When this occurs, the SP530's air flap opens whilst cleaning and a red light will appear on the attachment. In this case, the SP530 must be left to dry fully before using again. And when your cloths become dry or dirty, simply remove them from the SP530 and insert a new cleaning cloth. For best results, wash used cloths in the washing machine at 60 degrees without the addition of fabric softener. The Kobold HD60 hard floor nozzle is a modern-day sweeping brush for quick daily cleaning. Designed with a unique swivel head, it's ideal for gliding around furniture and cleaning right up to the edge. With its low profile, it's great for vacuuming underneath furniture. You can also lower the handle to get right underneath low furniture. The PB440 electric upholstery brush is a handheld version of the EB400 automatic electric brush. Thanks to its 2 counter-rotating brushes powered by a dedicated motor, the PB440 delivers excellent cleaning performance in the palm of your hand. To get started, attach the PB440 to the VK200 using the electric suction hose. Switch the VK200 onto the desired suction level and then the brushes will start to rotate. We recommend using the auto suction level. On the side of the PB440, there's a slider switch which allows you to adapt the suction for cleaning flat surfaces and crevices independently. This surface setting focuses suction right below the rotating brushes, so it's ideal for cleaning flat surfaces like cushions. Always keep the upholstery brush moving so you're not cleaning any one section for more than a few seconds. The crevice setting focuses suction right at the tip for cleaning harder to reach areas like the crevices on a sofa. The Kobold mattress cleaning set has been specifically designed to give you a healthier night's sleep. To start cleaning your mattress, you'll need the PB440 electric upholstery brush, the MR440 deep cleaning mattress attachment, the MP440 dry cleaning mattress attachment, and Lavinia mattress cleaning powder. To get set up, First, connect the MR440 deep cleaning mattress attachment to the PB440 automatic upholstery brush. To do this, remove the suction nozzle from the PB440 by gripping the base from the front and pulling away from the device. Now insert the two tabs at the back of the MR440 into the base of the upholstery brush and click the front into place. To start cleaning, switch on the VK200 to power level auto and slide the switch on the PB440 to the flat surface position. Lay the mattress cleaner flat onto the surface and the rubber bars on the base of the device will start to vibrate. This vibration loosens dirt and dust, while the suction of the VK200 vacuums it away. Next, prepare to sanitize your mattress using Lavinia mattress cleaning powder. First, sprinkle Lavinia over the mattress. Then, unlock and remove the MR440 attachment from the automatic upholstery brush by sliding the green switch on the front. Then insert the two tabs at the back of the MP440 dry cleaning mattress attachment into the base of the PB440 and click the front into place. When you switch the VK200 on, the disc on the back of the MP440 will start to rotate. Lay the device flat onto the mattress and thoroughly massage the Lavinia all over the surface. Now wait a minimum of 30 minutes to allow the Lavinia to work effectively and dry. To finish cleaning, swap back to the MR440 deep cleaning mattress attachment and vacuum the Lavinia away. You now have a clean and hygienic mattress for a restful night's sleep. The Kobold accessory set ensures you always have the right tool for the job. This next section provides a look at the various nozzles available and how they can help clean around your home. When cleaning around the home with the Kobold accessory set, you may wish to use the convenient shoulder strap, which allows the Kobold VK200 to hang over your shoulder. To attach the strap, hook the two ends to the VK200 as shown. Before you start cleaning, please make sure the strap is fully secure. Next, we'll take a look at how to get the most out of the full range of accessories available. To connect accessories to the VK200, start by connecting the electric suction hose. First in the accessory range is the crevice nozzle set, an adaptable kit for reaching into small, narrow spaces. This set features a long crevice nozzle, a bristled crevice brush, and a drill dust attachment. Connect the crevice tool to the VK200 through the electric suction hose to vacuum the dust from behind radiators, along the top of skirting, or even crevices in furniture. To help lift dust on shelves and skirtings, add on the crevice brush. The crevice nozzle has multiple joints and a flexible rubber tip, so it can be angled to fit into just about any corner. There's no hiding place for dust. You can clean every space thoroughly and with ease. The drill dust attachment is great for DIY lovers. When it's attached to the crevice nozzle, the suction power of the VK200 keeps it fixed to the wall so you can drill keeping both hands free. All the drill dust falls straight in, with nothing escaping to the floor. The Flexo nozzle is a multi-purpose accessory for use on many different surfaces. To start, there's the textile mode for areas including curtains and cushions. Close the tips and use as an effective cleaner for crevices. Then attach the bristle plate for cleaning large surface areas such as ceilings, bookcases and walls. Our final tool is the soft nozzle, a versatile dusting brush with an adjustable switch to change the length of the bristles for different applications. With short bristles, it's ideal for cleaning surfaces with grooves like telephones, computer keyboards, and even lampshades. Then switch to the long bristles for a softer clean, perfect for televisions, ornaments, and other delicate items. The Kobold telescopic tube allows you to reach up high using any of the nozzles you've seen in this section without having to use a ladder or stepping stool. Connect the telescopic tube to the electric suction hose and then attach the nozzle you require. To adjust the height, turn the handle grip in the direction marked open, extend the tube, and then turn the hand grip back to lock into place. The performance of the Kobold VK200 is not just limited to your home. By using the range of Kobold accessories, you can give your car a professional interior valet in minutes. Use the Flexo nozzle to remove dirt from your seats and upholstery. Close the tips to create the small hand tool to get into the tighter grooves. Use the crevice nozzle to reach in between the seats and other intricate spaces. Add the soft nozzle to eliminate dust on the dashboard. And for everything that's left, especially the carpet mats, bring out the PB440 electric upholstery brush. To change the filter bag, first open the filter door by pulling on the green catch. Next, simply remove the full filter bag and dispose of it in a normal household bin. Insert a new folded filter bag into the bag compartment by matching the opening both on the bag and the VK200 itself. You do not need to cut the packaging bands which hold the bag together, as the machine will do this for you. Finally, close the filter bag door so that it clicks into place. Please note that the door will not close unless a filter bag has been correctly inserted. The Kobold VK200 has a range of attachments or cleaning heads. To switch between heads, just slide up the switch at the top of the body by the handle. Lift the main body to release the head. Then simply push it down onto the new head until the two components click together. Alternatively, you can also remove an attachment from the VK200 by pushing the switch at the base of the body to unlock the accessory. When you've finished cleaning, you can push the telescopic handle all the way down to stow the cord by winding it around the cable hooks. As with any mains-powered device, you should disconnect the device from the mains before winding, and be careful not to apply any stress or pressure to the cable. You can also transport the VK200 easily by using the wheels. And thanks to its slimline design, you can easily store the machine in small cupboards without taking up valuable storage space. The power cord of the VK200 is designed to remain permanently connected to the device. However, it is possible to remove the cord if it's damaged and needs to be replaced. First, ensure the VK200 is switched off and disconnected from the mains. Next, adjust the telescopic handle to be at its tallest height. Attach the special tool supplied with the new power cord onto the front of the handle by inserting the hook into the power cord channel and clipping into place. Now pull the clip up the handle and the cord should detach from the device. Once detached, you can remove the special tool and pull the cord up through and out the back of the handle. Dispose of the damaged power cord and insert a new cord as shown in the Inserting Power Cord section of this video. Occasionally, it's important to check the motor protection filter housed within the VK200. This filter protects the motor of the VK200 to ensure a long service life. To inspect the filter, open up the bag compartment on the back of the VK200, remove the filter bag, and then remove the filter from the top of the compartment by pulling down on the tab in your direction. You can clean a lightly soiled filter by dusting it off. If the motor protection filter is heavily soiled, then it's time to insert a new one. To insert a motor protection filter, rest the back of the filter against the device and push the filter up at the front until it clicks into place. From time to time, it's good to check that the automatic electric brush is in full working order. First, check that the opening for the automatic floor sensor is free of dust by vacuuming the area. Next, remove the roller brush. To do this, unlock the brush plate by pressing both catches at the same time. Then lift out the roller brush by holding it on the green side and pulling away. Remove lint, dust and hair from the brush by simply cutting with a pair of scissors. Ensure that the green cap and metal bearings stay attached to the brush before reinstalling it to the EB400. To reinstall the brush, insert the black end of the brush into the matching holder. Then lay the green end of the brush on the other side. Finally, attach the brush plate and click each of the two catches into place. To clean the VK200 carpet freshener, first remove any residue of Koboldline from the dosage container. You may find this easier using the electric suction hose. You can also clean the container under cold or lukewarm running water. To remove and clean the roller brush, first take off the cover by pressing from the side. Next, take out the brush by holding the side with the pin. You can clean the brush under cold or lukewarm running water straight after use. Ensure all the parts are completely dry before putting the components back together. To clean the SP530, turn it over and remove the sealing lip frames at the front and back by gripping the center of the frame and pulling away from the device. The removed frames can now be cleaned under running water. To reinstall the frames, ensure you match the correct ones for the front and the back of the device. Due to different fittings, they will only fit one side each. Insert the frames by clicking in one side at a time. You can also check the suction channel of the SP530 for blockages. To do this, detach the lower end of the suction channel. Remove any blockages and reinsert the channel until it attaches back to the device. To clean the brushes of the PB440 electric upholstery brush, remove the suction nozzle by gripping the base from the front and pulling away from the device. You can cut away hairs or threads with a small pair of scissors through the grate on the base. To reattach the suction nozzle, insert the two tabs into the back of the PB440 and click the front into place. When using the mattress cleaning set, you may find residue of the Lavinia mattress cleaning powder left on the attachments. To clean the MP440 dry cleaning mattress attachment, remove the rotating disc at the base of the device by turning it anti-clockwise. You can then wipe away any residue left behind and reattach the disc by turning it in the opposite direction. To clean the MR440 deep cleaning mattress attachment, remove the beta bars by first pulling one side and then the other. These bars can be cleaned under running water. Once dry, reattach the beta bars by pushing in one side and then the other. As with any electrical appliance, safety is all about proper use and a common sense approach. Full safety instructions are detailed in the manual, and you should read this thoroughly before using your device. For now, here's a quick overview of some do's and don'ts. Occasionally check that the mains cord slides freely as you move the VK200's main telescopic handle up and down. You should be able to move the handle without holding onto the cord. We also recommend you check the motor protection filter is fitted before you use the device. Always ensure you disconnect the VK200 whenever it's stored or simply left unattended. And also look after the power cord, taking care to wrap it loosely when you're storing the device. Be careful not to touch the roller brushes on any of the Kobold attachments when the device is running. For any repairs of the VK200, we recommend contacting your nearest service provider. Children under 8 years old may not understand the risks involved with using an electrical device, so please don't allow children to play with or use the VK200 unsupervised. Never use the device for anything other than its intended purpose. This section briefly summarizes electrical safety guidelines of the VK200. Full safety instructions are detailed in the manual, and you should read this thoroughly before using your device. To avoid electric shocks and damage to electrical components, always unplug the VK200 from the main socket and not from the machine itself. Always switch the VK200 off before you unplug the device from the main socket, attach any accessories, or perform any maintenance on the device. Never run the device over any cables lying on the floor. For any repairs of the VK200, we recommend contacting your nearest service provider. Never use the VK200 to vacuum any liquids or moist dirt. If you see damage to the VK200, stop using the device immediately. Contact your service provider for further assistance. Following these steps will help ensure the product safety of the VK200. We hope you've enjoyed this guide on the VK200 and have a good understanding of how to get the most from your new device. If you would like any further information, advice on how to clean your home, or even help troubleshooting, your local sales and service provider is always on hand to answer any questions you may have. Thank you for taking the time to watch our VK200 instruction manual video guide, and we hope you enjoy your new home cleaning system for many more years to come.